Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix there's a billing problem with the previous purchase, as see from here. So if you're having this issue on your Apple Store when you are trying to make a new purchase and it stops you from the purchase and it tells you that there is a problem with previous purchase. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your iPhone settings. After that, you need to click on your profile settings on your iPhone. So after you do that, you need to click on payment and shipping from here. So after that, from here, you need to update your payment methods. So if there's any payment method that you are not using, you need to open it. After that, you need to hit on remove payment method. So that will actually fix most of the problems. But if that didn't fix your problem, you can actually remove the payment method that you are actually using. Like if you are actually using PayPal, you can just remove it and add it again, and that will hopefully fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.